Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Before we even get started, I want to ask you to please like, please subscribe, okay? You haven't even seen the video yet, but you are going to like it. I need you to subscribe. Please subscribe because I'm going to show you finally, what's inside the junk in my trunk. With my best friend,
Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up.
All right, take a look, everybody. This is Grandma's car, Granny's Mercedes, the E320. And look, oh, yes, the cylinder, the lock cylinder should be there, but it's not, which can only mean one thing. Mike spent $196 at the dealer. $196 to find out what is inside the trunk, okay? Yeah, 2 hours of labor, $196. I don't know how many hours in labor, but that's what they charged me. Yeah, it's incredible, but it is off, okay? We have the trunk lock off and out of the car. They have used some very thin wire. I was driving home, ka-chunk, 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 like that. But you want to see? Are you ready to see? Tell me how much. Tell me how much you want to see. Yeah, I know. I'm intrigued too. Let's go ahead and find out what could be inside Granny's Mercedes. We're going to try to film this without showing the whole license plate. Oop, I just screwed up. No, I'm kidding. Okay. There is some wire here. I asked them just to leave this removed because I didn't want it to slam shut again, and then I got to go back and spend another $196. So what they've done is just put some wire through here. Yeah. You know how long I've had this car? Do you know? Oh, look at that. You got a sneak peek. Oh, yep, there it is right there. I have owned this car for several months. Okay, I bought the car. I want to say it was like $600. Cha-ching! Yeah, this is a Copart car, and I have been driving around unable to open the trunk. So I haven't taken it on the highway for any kind of an extended period because, of course, the spare is in the trunk. So I've been wanting to do that, but I haven't. Okay, let's find out. And I'm kind of looking as I'm showing you. Okay, you want to see what's in the trunk? Is it Jimmy Hoffa? Is it something else? Is it beef ravioli? I don't know. Here we go. We're going to start on this side right here, folks. All right. This is the lock. I just asked them to kind of leave it right there. Do I need gloves? Do I need gloves for this? Okay, let's see what this is. This is man shorts. Ooh, 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 with the stain. Oh, that's on the front. Okay. This says medium. I don't think these are medium. Ooh. Oh, okay, that's lovely. So we're going to put that right there. Okay, I have, ooh, a titanium technology, titanium alloy, power zone string pattern. Look at this. Holy moly. So an athlete, Granny was an athlete. Let's take a look at this, okay? Look at that. Racquetball? Racquetball, anybody? I don't know if this is worth anything. Titanium technology. Look at that. TI photon. Photon? Okay. So we have a head racquetball. Racket. More clothes. We have some more clothes. Let's see what this is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Michael Kors. Of course. Look at this. Okay. These are, I guess they're nice jeans. Michael Kors. Let's see what size. I don't know what size. Here we go. Here we go. This is a 3230. Mike used to be a 3230. A little bit more now. But look at that. Okay, so I don't know what I can do with those. I can donate them. I have, what's that? Some kind of a shin guard. a sock, water. Ooh, socks. What is that? Forearm thing. Water and water. Okay, we're moving. There's a box. We got a box. Ooh, it's heavy. This is heavy. Okay, I don't want to show the address. Okay, let's wait to see what's there. We got a shirt, maybe? This guy went to a good school. Granny went to a great school. Look at that. That's my alma mater. Yeah, my alma mater. Oklahoma State. Look at that. Okay, what size is this? Medium? Granny was an athlete. Small. I'm going to call this Grandpa's car. Okay, we have an OSU. That was a nice shirt. Grandpa. Okay. Okay, here's all the water bottles. We have some rackets. Look at this. Okay. Are these any good? I don't know. Are they Walmart brand? Probably. So we have a tennis racket. We got another racquetball racket that's in a little protector. Ectalon, play with far. Look at that, okay? We have the box. You gotta wait to see what's inside that. We have another tennis racket. Look at all this good stuff. Look at that. Okay, so we have 2 tennis rackets, 2 racquetball rackets. We have a sack from Target. Let's see what's in here. Now this was a donated car, so this wasn't like somebody had it repossessed, somebody drove it and killed it and just left it. Somebody donated this, even with all these clothes inside. Okay, we got a towel. Still smells new. Okay, Monkey Wrench might be washing that and keeping that to dry off the cars. Okay, remember what I said, Chef Boyardee? This is like a 10-pack. I don't even know why you buy Chef Boyardee in a 10-pack. How long has this been back here? What's the, best if used by October 29 of 20? Yeah. I guess that's 2019. 2018. What is that? What's the date? 2018? Holy moly, how old is this stuff? How long has this car been sitting? 2016. Ugh. Okay. 2016. Lovely. So that is, wow, 4 years past its date. How long was this car sitting there? Oh, I got a beach towel. I get a beach towel. Look at that. Beach, 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 beach. That's a nice towel. It's been used. Okay, we got a beach towel. We have, ooh, somebody drinks fancy. Ugh, fancy stuff right there. Okay, we've got that. Water, water. Ooh, something shiny. Something shiny. Something shiny. What is it? Oh, Powerade. Of course, because when you're playing tennis at Oklahoma State University, eating your ravioli, you got to drink the Powerade. Let's see what's in here. This is always fun because you can hear what people listen to. Okay, what do you think we're going to find in here? You think anything's going to pop up? Are there DVDs in here? I don't think so. Here, let's see. Let me just hold on. Hold on. You got to wait for a second. Oh, there is. Oh. Darius Rucker. He's a good one, that Darius. Okay, that one's empty. Darius Rucker. Yeah, he's good. Let's see. Oh, we got more. We have more. What's next? Brad Paisley. This guy did go to OSU. What is this? Tim McGraw. Southern Voice. These are some good country music DVDs here. I tell you what. And Lady Antebellum. I Need You Now. Look at that. You know what? If you love country music and you want one of these DVDs, let me know. I'll send them to you. No problem. Because that's the kind of guy I am. Yep. Always looking out for the other man. Okay, or woman. Okay, if you want a DVD, absolutely, I will send that to you. These are not bad, okay? I don't know if they're scratched or not. I don't think so. I think Grandpa from Oklahoma State University took good care of them. Oh, we have tennis balls. You know who's going to love those? Lola. Lola is going to love this. Let's see. Oh, they've been opened. That's okay. You know what? Someone even told me to try a tennis ball. You know, you cut the tennis ball, and then you put it by the lock, and you hit it real hard, and it's supposed to go like that, and this pops the lock open. I tried it. It didn't work. And now that I've got it open, I got 3 more chances to try that. Okay, now, the piece de resistance. Whoa, what's in the box? What could it be? Is it a Rolex? Is it a toaster? Is it something I have no idea? It's an appliance? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a DVD. It's a computer thing. Look at that. Oh, it's a Nintendo. What is this? What is this? Model number RVL. Power reset. Okay, we got us one of them Nintendos. We got a Nintendo and a bow tie. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Look at that in OSU colors. Kind of. Tommy Hilfiger. Okay. What else? Oh, these are the little things for the Nintendo. Oh. And I have games. I don't know what that is. I don't know. But look. You know what Mike's going to be doing while we're all quarantined other than making videos? Guitar Hero 3, Tony Hawk's Proving Grounds, and Rock Band. This is a tennis playing, skateboard riding, racquetball playing, ravioli eating Oklahoma State University graduate that likes towels. Yeah, that's exactly who drove this car. And look at that. Does it work? I don't know. We're going to give it a shot and see. Look at that. Okay, let's just see what's underneath. Anything special underneath? All this stuff's got to go. Okay, here we go. And we got a full-size spare. Does it match? Ooh, I bet it does. I bet it does. Come on, baby. Nope. Okay, well, it's one of those. That's okay. It'll work. I'm so happy about that. Just your regular Mercedes spare. And I got a tool or two. And there is air in the tar. What air in the tar? Okay. Look at that. So what is next on the list to do for Granny's Mercedes? Well, hallelujah. Hallelujah. We're going to fill the cavity with another locking mechanism. And we're going to get that done pert near quick. All right? Really, really quick. Okay. Just kind of hanging out in my new trunk. Making myself comfortable. There we go. Just me and my meat ravioli. That's not the best shot. I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, me and my ravioli and my tennis rackets. This is literally the easiest video that I've ever done. I don't even know if I'm going to post it. I don't know who cares what was in the trunk of this Grandpa's. I got to call it Grandpa's Mercedes now. Gramps. It's Gramps. Yeah, Gramps Mercedes. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I know everybody's bored. Everybody's stuck at home if you're here in the U.S. Well, almost around the world because of the whole COVID-19 thing. Hopefully you got a little joy, a little Marie Kondo out of this. So, do I post it or not? Why not? You know, I've had a whole bunch of people ask me, why don't you show me what's in the trunk? What kind of junk you got in the trunk, Mike? So, there you go. Your prayers have been answered. This is not a typical Monkey Wrench Mike video, though. They are usually much, much better, much, much more information is distributed because I got so much up here. There's nothing up here. There's really nothing up here. So, all right, guys, gals, ladies, kids, cats, and dogs, thank you for watching. We are going to fix this. Next video will be this, okay, because I've ordered a replacement for this right there. We will get that done. We'll get her done. We'll get her done, folks. All right. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like, please subscribe. I'm literally going to eat some old ravioli and play tennis in my OSU shirt. That's like 2 sizes too small. That's what's next for me. All right, everybody. Bye.